आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव, 75 years of Indian independence. So happy Independence Day to all of us. Vande Mataram. As we all know, thousands laid down their lives so that our country can breathe this day. So promise never forget their sacrifices. On this special day, let's pray for the Indian progress and prosperity. Bharitam Bharitam Bhavatu Bharitam, Bharitam Bharitam Bhavatu Bharitam, Shakti Samritam Yukti Samritam, Shakti Samritam Yukti Samritam, Shakti Yukti Samritam Bhavatu Bharitam, Shakti Yukti Samritam Bhavatu Bharitam, Shastradharikam 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 Bhavatu Bharitam, Shastradharikam Bhavatu Bharitam, Riti Sanskritam Niti Sanskritam, Riti Sanskritam Niti Sanskritam, Riti Niti Sanskritam Bhavatu Bharitam, Riti Niti Sanskritam Bhavatu Bharitam, Karmanashtikam 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 Dharmanashtikam, Karma-dharma-nashtikam Bhavatu Bharitam, Karma-dharma-nashtikam Bhavatu Bharitam, Bhakti-sadhikam Mukti-sadhikam, Bhakti-sadhikam Mukti-sadhikam, Bhakti-mukti-sadhikam Bhavatu Bharitam, Bhakti-mukti-sadhikam Bhavatu Bharitam, Bharitam Bharitam Bhavatu Bharitam, Bharitam Bharitam Bhavatu Bharitam. Once again, happy Independence Day to all of us. Nothing is more precious than independence and liberty. So let's celebrate it with great pomp and show.